Okay, so we're on a continuation of the brake cables. This is a little BMX bike, so we're doing front cable on this one. So with this, it's pretty straightforward. I need to check to see what my distance is. I could measure off of the old one, but I thought, crazily enough, I thought the old one was it was too long. So I'm gonna shorten it up. And I think that's just about right there. And I'm gonna do range of motion. And that's fine there. Because we're not trying to spin this around. And that's the problem where this is. It's almost spinnable, so that it'll break. So we're gonna cut that off there. So we're gonna deal with that. There's a special tool for this. I don't have it. So because I don't have a special tool, here's what we do next. A very little drill bit. Come on in here. A very little drill bit and get it started into that hole, and then I wobble it out. And then I wobble it out some more. And then I have the back of a file here, which is big enough, and I jam it down in and roll it around. Now, a scribe would work great for this. But I'm using what I got in the garage. The brake cable set. They send you 2 short ones, 2 long ones. Can you see the ends? There's the barbell end that you need, and then the dummy end that they cast on. You cut the dummy end off, okay? So we don't need that off. Now this needs to go through here. So put that through here first. There it is. Okay. All right, so then what I'm going to do is take this barbell end and put it in through here. This will roll. This will roll. So let me show you. So that needs to go in here. See that? So just a little bit extra, pull it in, and then pull the extra through. Okay. In this case, Daddy's strong enough, we can just roll it back down. Okay. So come on in here. So what I'm trying to do is get this little cap over it. Squeeze it in a little bit. It's gotta be a tight one. Okay, there it is. That's to keep that end from fraying around. Okay. Another end. I'm not using those plastic ends, I'm just using these. That's on. Good. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here, slide this in, cable through. Okay, that's in there. Put this down through, and then I need to catch the hole that's in here. So this is tough here. Getting that through that little hole. Okay, that's down there. So that's down through, and then, so like if you're working by yourself doing this, again, just a piece of balance wire. You could use zip tie too if you wanted to. I got balance wire when we're on a farm. We always have balance wire. Just gonna take this. We're gonna pull these two together. Okay.
You can also use that valance line right there where the 2 pieces for the brake halves are at the cable to pull them together right there. A zip tie right there would hold them together real good too.
And that's that cable. You want to have that snug. Okay. Let's take my adjustable. This does not take a lot of pressure. See the cable crimped off. Okay, so I think that's mostly okay, but I don't want to go nutsy-butsy with it. because the wheels on the bikes for most of my kids, they're bent.
Yeah, that is really bad.
Well, it's horribly bent. We need to get her another rim. But. Yeah, right there.
Oh.
It's a banana.
You sure
banana
you want to
wheel.
ride this one?
Hold that. Well, today we're also doing Weaver's wheel straightening here.
Just put the lights on it too, man.
Why am I? Hey.
Well, you got what you got for now, kid. Okay. I like that. Tighten it up. Hold it. Okay. That's enough to hold it. And I'll cut this off down here. And we'll put the ferrule on. You don't have to put the ferrule on. Okay.
Okay, there you go.
Try it out.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's basic dad stuff again that you should know how to do, and if you don't know how to do it, mom stuff too, or kid stuff. This is basic bike fixing that anybody can learn how to do. It's not that hard. You can see what I used for tools. It's pretty darn basic. I used an adjustable. I had a pliers here to crimp the end. My cutters. Good set of wire cutters, just standard wire cutters is all I use. These are Channel Lock brand. I like them. They work great. And then a couple little pieces to open that hole up. That's all I used. So not that hard. Easy to keep your bike in shape. So hey, thanks for stopping by the farm. We appreciate it. And like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.